Need stable, long-endurance low-altitude economy equipment? Caboer PCBA delivers high reliability plus lightweight design as the core foundation. 1. High reliability. Adapted for complex conditions. Withstands temperatures from -20°C to 6°C and humidity. Resists vibration and dust. Optimized layout plus shielding technology ensures electromagnetic interference ready. Stance and precise signal transmission. 1000-hour aging test guarantees long-term operation without failure. 2. Lightweight design. Boosting endurance. Ultra-thin substrates plus miniature components reduce weight by 20%-30%. High-density integration plus micro-biotechnology saves space without compromising performance. Balancing weight distribution. 3. Caboer core advantages. Compatible with various low-altitude economy devices, drones, surveying or plant protection equipment, etc. Supports customization, OE full inspection plus dedicated testing. Meets RoHS or ISO certification. High precision assembly. Sample delivery in 5 to 7 days. Bulk delivery in 10 to 15 days. High cost effectiveness. 4. Market opportunities. Explosive demand. Low-altitude economy expansion plus policy incentives drive 15% annual growth in PCBA demand for compatible devices, offering vast prospects. Caboer PCBA. Stable performance. Lightweight design. Empowering low-altitude economy equipment upgrades. For partnership inquiries, click the comments section.